let's have a ball. No, 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 they are too small. I do not want to eat them all. Too many dots upon the spoon. I will not eat this afternoon. Look at them roll, look at them spin. Let the rolling game begin. Here comes the truck, beep, 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 picking up a tasty heap. Rolling beads and a truck so fast. This is a yummy, fun breakfast. Scoop them up, 1, 2, 3. Little green balls are good for me. Yes, 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 they pop inside. Open your mouth nice and wide. Squishy, squashy, soft and sweet. Peas are such a happy treat. All gone now, look at my plate. Eating peas is really great.